Okay, that will present you how to unleash business agility by technology on Huawei Cloud. Please welcome Mr. Gavin from Huawei Cloud.
Thank you very much. Hi all. I feel privileged to be here on the stage, and it's a beautiful day. I see so many beautiful smiles, although it's behind the masks. All right. My name is Gavin. I'm from Huawei Asia Pacific team. I run the internet and the cloud native business. So today I'm gonna talk about business agility, how Huawei we can enable you, empower you to run your business, to unleash your agility so you can go beyond. Quick go to market, right? Can go beyond your current, your business geography regions across the board, right? Next slide please. Can even that quickly adapt to unforeseen events, right? This is what we're talking about business agility. As of today, although we say we are in a post-pandemic, period. We still is, right? There's lots of variants of the. So, for these unforeseen events in the past, before the pandemic, lots of business has been impacted by this because it hasn't been ready. They doesn't have the agility, have the platform to enable them. They quickly can change and adapt to these events. And today, a lot of business, in order to survive, you have to increase the sales volume. So business are expanding to the existing geography regions to overseas. As you can see, e-commerce currently ranking number 2, and they are getting a lot more from the user perspective, from the sales volume perspective. Next slide. So today we are always catching up the e-commerce development trends. The trends of emerging of new e-commerce forms, the trends of traditional platform dominance lost, right? The trends of cross-border e-commerce explosion and the carbon reduction and putting on the agenda already. And we also facing the challenge when we do this from the security and the compliance perspective. Different countries have different authorities, has different regulations. We have to comply all this. All this requires agility so we can adapt. We can quickly adopt new technology platform to helping us to grow our business even we are seeing this, right? So my point is, cloud may not be your optimal solutions. May not be your option, but a destiny, a way you have to go. Huawei Cloud, we are currently number 2 in China and number 5 worldwide. Today we are also appears in the Ghana Magic Quadrant report as well, right? But we're still new. Huawei Cloud, we are built by the technology innovations and by the high reliable and shared success. We have covered more than 170 countries, 27 regions. But beyond cloud, we not only cloud, we connect our Huawei devices with our cloud so we can create this end-to-end solution platform to serving our customer better. Right. So this is currently what we have, these figures, 27 regions, 61 AZs. As you see on the outside the billboards, we're actually launching Indonesia region very soon. So definitely, if you're interested, you can talk into us. So for e-commerce, we actually have a solution for you. The core is, in e-commerce, we have the so-called APaaS solutions. We have a few kits, the machine learning kits, the augmented reality engine, the video kit, and search kit, and scan kit. So within these kits, you can build your solutions very easily on for your e-commerce platform needs, right? For the cloud, we are sitting in beneath. We supply with data intelligence, and cloud natives. Right. So for the e-commerce types, we have 6 types, and we cover the 6 scenarios. I'm gonna brief you very quickly for the following slides. I actually prepare more than 30 minutes, so I'm gonna skip a few just to highlight the key points from our solutions. Right. So how you drive your own traffic diversions and user growth? We have a Huawei one-tap sign-in. So it's a you have your Huawei phone ID, so you can using it to sign in your e-commerce platform in other apps very easily. So with these solutions, you can actually using our sign-on functionalities for your application needs. We also have a Huawei wallet, so which means you can using our wallet for your applications. You can do the management of various coupons and cards. We have our user address management for the e-commerce, for logistics. So when you do the shippings, you can automatically extract user address from our devices. And using these services, so it's more easier for a better user experience. We also have maps. Today, our maps cover worldwide. Has been used by a lot of, such as JD Sports. JD is one e-commerce platform in China. And also Carrefour in China, also using our maps as well. We also can do the precision push for the potential customer. So in our devices, we have the banners. You can using the push notification to notify your customer to attract your user conversion rates. So with these all toolkits, you also need to build a strong, intelligent operation in order to achieving your business objectives. So for the intelligent operations, we have the tools, search and recommendations. We have intelligent designs, content, intelligent marketing, growth analysis as well. Such as Petal Engine. Petal Engine is one of our products that has been widely used. Today, one of the biggest Malaysia media companies, they're using our Petal search engines for their business, so you can search their media contents fairly easily. So from the Petal engines, you can use your product data, user data, behavior data, and operation strategies as an input. Then you can try to achieve your goals by using our search engine to optimize the user conversion. So today, with all these, the global services become much easier. So you can do the cross-border business very easily with Huawei. On the cloud, we have ERP, we have e-commerce, we have warehousing solutions, we have lots of partner solutions, together on top with these offerings. So when you do a business overseas, you don't actually need to deploy a whole system in other region. You have a maintenance team. It's more expensive and leading time for making those changes is complex. But with the cloud, you can easily, with a one-click, deployment here, and your system up running in other regions, the teams can purely focusing on running the business itself. Also for the cross-border business, you are really care about the compliance. Different countries have different compliance, so we have built our infrastructures, has been compliant to these GDPRs, and each countries for the e-commerce compliance, so we have been dealing with this already. So you only need to focus on your business and leave all these worries to us. So we also offering live streamings to helping with your user experiences. The new wave of doing e-commerce has been changed, right? We build an end-to-end solution using our content delivery network and our video generations. So you can using this as a total solution. You just need to upload your contents, or you can just take shots of your live show room. Using these whole services, then you can open up your live show room to selling your e-commerce product even overseas fairly easily. We have the machine learning kit. So in the live showroom, so we can do a lot of different effects, such as beautify your face, such as those of virtual backgrounds as well. You can put the products as there. When the user clicks those background of the products and can link directly to your e-commerce platform. Right. So this one we can actually using our solution to create a multi-angle view. So you can create a very similar like a 3D view as well. So for this one, for this example, for a live shows, if you have a live showroom, so we are creating, we can ensure our 24 hours uninterrupted live streaming solutions. These are all built upon a reliable infrastructures. So last but not least, innovative technology is always we talking about Huawei, we know difference. We have our visual shops with taking a shot of products. Your customer will be able to search that products, similar products on your e-commerce platform fairly easily, and they can make the purchase without even know that product name or the brands at all. We also have augmented reality for immersive shopping experience, right? So in here you can see that there are lots of virtual. When the user clicks those products, it can link to your e-commerce platform. This helping a lot for a high order conversion rates. We can also helping creating 3D model. The cost of creating these kind of a 3D model, you can find is amazingly cheaper comparing to similar products on the market, right? We have our scan kit, so you can use it for your products, and customer can scan it fairly easily to find your products on your platform. We also have translation services, right? So when you do a cross-border tradings, you don't need to worry about different language has been using elsewhere. For example, if Thai business doing business in Indonesia, they don't need to worry about the bahasas. They only need to focusing on what they do, and all the automation of the translation will be done by the platform itself. So lastly, I would like to say together, we build your own success story. To partner with us, we can help you to empower you to unleash your business agility. Thank you. That's the end of the slides.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Gavini, for shedding some lights on how companies should adopt cloud native technologies and utilize cloud to enable business for uncertainties. Now we comes in the Q&A session. Our speaker will be happy to answer your question. Anyone want to ask?
Okay, good morning. Mr. Gavin, maybe I would like to ask then, how could we overcome the challenge? Because in some country, not all the people is up to date in technology. And also, example in Indonesia, although many big business, but they also coming from the micro company, right? So not all is familiar with the technology. So how could we overcome this situation or this challenge for to become the business that could be unleashed for the agility in technology? I think that's my question.
Okay. So Huawei, we have a so-called partner ecosystem. In this ecosystem, we actually to find the local partners. We have the funding to helping our partners to train local talents to know our technologies. Besides this, we also build lots of boot camps. These ones in big events as well. We are working with the government as well to help institutions, students to understand our technology as well. Hope that answers your questions.
Thank you, Mr. Gavin. Anyone else? One more question? Okay.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, I'm David. We do distribution of musical instruments. Yeah. So from your slides, I see it's like more for big enterprise. So for us, like small, medium enterprise, what do you think is the best solution? And could I say we know a lot more about Google Cloud. So what is Huawei's cloud compared to Google Cloud? Thank you.
Very good questions. To us, there's no large enterprise solution or small to medium enterprise business solutions. This solution is actually for all. This solution is actually tailored for a small business as well because it has been built an end-to-end solution. So you actually very simple. It's like a Lego. You just need to connect all the components together and the solution will run. As you say, how we comparing to Google, we kind of different. Google has been around for cloud for many years. We are the challenger, being very honest. And Google, a different way doing, they have their advertisement very strong. But we also have our strong strengths as well. We have Huawei devices, all these devices, not we are building these devices, we're building these operation system, we so-called Harmony as well. This one is iPhone, sorry. But in the Huawei phones, we build the chips, we build the software, we build the applications, we build our clouds as well. So we know better to tuning on this. The data flows in and the processing and flows out. We can help you to understanding how we build together so you can use our technology better. And most importantly, more cost effective. So we are building the solution, making sure everyone can afford.
Thank you, Mr. Gavin. Okay, thank you again for sharing valuable insight.